that discovery can be made during a trial within a trial, not in a main trial. Now we're getting everything in.
Advocate Mshololo, who's representing accused number 5, Fisokuhle Ntuli, and Advocate Mkombezulu, who's representing accused number 1, Muzika Ukhalelwa Sibiya, are fed up with the state prosecutor, Advocate Josh Baloyi, who's always ambushing the defense team and bringing new evidence in court. Advocate Mshololo called out Baloyi for being dishonest in court. Advocate Mkombezulu strongly asked the state to go straight to 2014 when Senzo Meyiwa, the football star, was shot and killed at Kelly Khumalo's home in Johannesburg, Vosloorus, and said they are deviating on the elements that happened in 2014. The state should stop bringing the evidence of 2018 and 2021. They are not interested in that. He's even attempted to say that they are cooking and manufacturing day in and day out. There's no purpose why they brought the state witness, Mr. Hose. Advocate Baloyi defended himself and said, in the nature of the trial, the state supplies the evidence. It has in the beginning of the trial, but as the time goes by, propositions are put to the witnesses and the state needs to follow up on those propositions. They've always been reasonable to the defense by giving them time. Mr. Hose told the court he's not available for the whole next week. The state witness that is dealing with cell phones records, Judge Rata Mokgotleng, who's presiding over the matter, asked the defense that how long will it take them to peruse the new evidence. Advocate Mshololo said she needs 2 affidavits from the state of Brigadier Bongani Gininda that are not complete. Judge Rata made a postponement so that everyone can be ready before they can continue. He said he'll give them 2 weeks so that they will not feel ambushed. Advocate Mshololo said that's fine, but with the cell phone records, she's ready to cross-examine Mr. Hose. Advocate Mnumalo said he's not ready because he's got some information last night. Advocate Mnisi suggested to stand the matter down up to 2 o'clock. Judge Rata said that won't work because Advocate Mngomezulu just received a bundle of evidence this morning. Advocate Mnisi said the court doesn't want to listen to him. They just coming to a conclusion that it won't work, but he hasn't done explaining. He didn't say that they should come back at 2 o'clock to proceed with the trial. They should engage with the state whether there are things that they can agree on or not. When they come back at 2 o'clock, they'll see if the whole week of next week will be necessary, and that's a good conduct of this trial because ever since this trial started, they have never engaged with the state whether they can meet each other somewhere or not. Advocate Ramosipele, who's representing accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, said he hasn't been furnished with the bank statement. He will struggle to engage with the state. Judge Rata Mokgotleng said he's postponing this matter to the 13th of May 2024, and he hopes that on the day everyone has communicated with the state. If they wish him to come and supervise them while the state is engaging with the defense based on what they can agree on or not, he's willing to come, and Mr. Hose is excused till the 13th of May. If Judge Baloyi is refusing to give them evidence, they must inform him and he's available for the whole next week. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.